What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Brick here again from the King's Motorcycle Club. So, where my logo at? There we at. See that? Get a good look at that. We out here in the DMV. So, I got a problem with my 2012 R1. I needed some new headlights. These are my old headlights. Got cracked on the side. Some clown side swiped my bike in the parking lot. Cracked the side of my headlights. Thankfully, my bulbs and the lenses are still good. So I was looking for another set of headlights. I found a pair on eBay for $100. Really can't beat that, used or otherwise. The thing about it, all the tabs were in place. Nothing was broken. Only thing, the dude had removed the daggone wires from the inside. I don't know what he got out of that. Like, I could see you keeping the bulbs because maybe you can use the bulbs for another bike. But these are my wires that came out of this one. This clown actually ripped or cut or tore whatever, pulled his wires all the way out just to pull them out the headlights. That was stupid. You probably could have got a little bit more money by advertising them with the wires still in them. Anyway, I went on YouTube to see how I open this thing up because I pulled all the screws out. These screws don't do anything as far as holding it together. Then I'm looking at the tabs. The tabs really not even, I don't know if you can see it, but the tabs really not even that close together, so they're not being held by the tabs. Come to find out, according to YouTube, they want me to stick this thing in the damn oven on 250 degrees for about 10 to 15 minutes to pull it apart. I'm not about to do that. So I got to looking and thinking about it. I was like, you know what? Maybe I can get a drill and make the hole that's naturally in here bigger. So I got the drill. This is my old one. I got to messing with it. Then I was like, you know what? I don't need the old one. So let me go get a box cutter and just cut this plastic off. Just cut chunks of it, break it off so I can pull my wires through. So I had all my internal wires I pulled up out of here. And in order to get them in this one, in this new one, without sticking the daggone thing in the oven and separating it, I got my drill and I measured this head on here because this head has to pass through that hole. Right now it's too big to go through the hole. So I got me a 5/8. Where is it? There it is. You can see it. Got a 5/8. Put it over that hole. And I bored me another hole. Let's get it closer so you can see it. I bored me another hole to pull these wires through. And of course it makes a perfect circle. So I'm going to go to the hardware store, get me a blackhead washer, and put it on here just to cover up this little rough spot. Tried to sand it down a little bit with sandpaper so it's smooth. I mean, this side, it can stay just like this. The wire's not going to come up out of here because they're connected. But once you get your drill and you bore this hole in here, get you a 5/8 drill or whatever the size of your plastic head is. Make sure you measure it. Just put it right up against it. And I bored a hole in there. Then I fished it through the side. Now it's going to take a little bit of time and determination to fish it through, but you can see all in here, so it's no problem seeing. Just got to be able to push your finger up through there to get that wire to pop through this hose. Once it popped through this hole, just pull the wire through, pull the head out, connect the other connectors, get your bulbs, put my bulbs back in there, and I'm good to go. So hopefully this will be helpful for anybody who has the misfortune to run into the same incident I did, where it saved me over $400 because if I would have had to just buy me a new headlight, good Lord, they wanted damn near 500 to $700 for a brand new headlight for the 2012 R1. But got me a good used pair where the housing is all intact, no breaks, no plastics. Even the fog lights were good on it. So this is Brick from the King's Motorcycle Club over in the DMV signing out. Like my boy Nick say down in Waldorf, on twos, keep it between the ditches. I'm out of here.